So guys, today we're going from this to this. So today's project is protection for the front and rear axle. Of course, this is my favorite supplier, Gilles. I should tell you that I paid everything from my own pocket. I'm not sponsored by these guys, but they make damn good stuff. So I'm going to show you how to install the protection part. And the good thing with this is when you're exchanging your wheels, you'll have something to grab on to pull out the axle. It's pretty forward installation. I've been riding the bike hard. First 100 kilometers, it was raining, of course, first day on the bike. So I beg your pardon for all the dirt. It's still raining outside, so I haven't had any chance to clean her up. I'll do that tomorrow. What we're aiming for is this little hole here. Make sure that it's clean with a rag, and I've done that already. So it's a T40 inside there. Loosen this bit a little bit so it's loose. Choose your color. Probably gonna go with blue. Because the bike's gonna get blue race fairings. So slide this little guy in here. Probably gonna need both my hands to do this. Sometimes this won't slide in here because you have to unscrew this little screw. So it's in there. This is what you get. Put this part in, align your bracket in the back of it, and we're going for T40. Tighten this screw by hand, then you should have 20 Newton meters according to the instructions. I'm just gonna tighten it as hard as I can. That's about it. So when you remove your rear axle, you can grab onto this and remove it. So what we got left with is this little guy, and that's going inside there. Snap it in. And then for the other side, in case of emergency, so you have something to slide on. Oh, I'm really ashamed to show you guys this. This is how hard it was raining today. Put in there, get a hammer, tap on it, so you get it straight in. So guys, it's exactly the same for the front end. Slide in the washer. It's probably this way because there's a ledge on it. That should go inside here. You get the option of red or blue. Slide this in. Use the T40 to tighten the screw. And it's 20 Newton meters here as well, but I'm just gonna go with my elbows and attach this little guy inside. And then the other side, you will need a plastic hammer, which I will get for you. And just give it a good whack. So it goes all the way in. Here you have it. Front axle protection and of course the rear axle protection.